Hello guys! I am back with another quick tutorial on this channel. If you are new on this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. And like this video. In this video, I will show you when you try to search something on Google, and it's saying, no internet. There is something wrong with the proxy server or the address is incorrect. So whether you try a different web browser, still you will face this issue, this error, and why this is happening. A quick fix for this. Just click on the Windows icon and type here. Internet option, you can also open it by clicking on the Windows icon, then search for Control Panel, or if you have an icon on the desktop, then simply double-click on it. And then here you can search for the Internet options, or go into the Network and Internet. And then click on the Internet option. You'll get this page. Go into the connection. Click on the LAN setting and uncheck these options. Click on the Automatically Detect settings. Click on OK, that's it. That's a quick fix. Now, simply open the browser, any browser, then type a website. It will work super fine for you, and this is a quick fix. I hope you liked this video. This video really helpful for you. Now please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question in your mind or facing any kind of issue, then just drop your comment. I'll make tutorial on it and see you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Bye-bye.